The most effective homeschooling strategies that actually lead to success. Homeschooling, a concept that was once seen as unconventional, is now becoming more mainstream. In fact, the National Center for Education Statistics reports that the number of homeschooled students has been steadily increasing over the years. But what makes homeschooling successful? One of the biggest challenges homeschooling parents face is maintaining motivation. It can be tough to keep the spark alive, especially when you're dealing with frustrating lesson plans or stubborn learners. Another challenge is creating a structured learning environment. How do you ensure that your child is getting the education they deserve without the traditional classroom setting? Additionally, homeschooling parents often struggle with feeling isolated or disconnected from other families who share similar values and goals. And let's be honest, it can be overwhelming to take on the responsibility of teaching your child, especially if you're not a trained educator. So, how do you create a sense of community and support when you're not surrounded by other teachers and students? Furthermore, homeschooling parents often worry about providing their children with a well-rounded education. How do you know if you're covering all the necessary subjects, and what if your child has special needs or learning disabilities? It's a lot of pressure to put on one person. Homeschooling can be tough, but it's not impossible. In fact, many families have found ways to thrive in this educational setting. So, what are the secrets to their success? What strategies have they implemented to overcome the common challenges and achieve academic excellence? One effective strategy is to create personalized learning plans that cater to your child's unique needs and learning style. This means taking the time to understand their strengths, weaknesses, and interests, and using that information to tailor your teaching approach. By doing so, you can ensure that your child is engaged, motivated, and learning at their best. Another strategy is to incorporate hands-on activities and experiments into your lesson plans. This approach not only makes learning fun, but it also helps to deepen your child's understanding of complex concepts. For example, if you're teaching your child about fractions, why not bake a pizza together and practice dividing it up into equivalent parts? It's a great way to make learning tangible and enjoyable. Building a supportive community is also crucial to homeschooling success. This can be achieved by joining homeschooling co-ops, attending conferences, or participating in online forums. By connecting with other families who share your values and goals, you can gain access to valuable resources, advice, and encouragement. You can also find opportunities for your child to socialize and make friends with other homeschooled students. One homeschooling mom, Sarah, saw tremendous success when she implemented these strategies into her teaching approach. She noticed that her child, who had struggled with reading comprehension, began to thrive when she started using personalized learning plans and hands-on activities. In fact, her child went from being a struggling reader to reading above grade level in just 1 year. Sarah's success story is a testament to the power of effective homeschooling strategies. By understanding the challenges and implementing solutions, homeschooling parents can provide their children with a high-quality education that sets them up for success. In summary, the key to homeschooling success lies in creating personalized learning plans, incorporating hands-on activities, and building a supportive community. By doing so, you can overcome the common challenges and provide your child with an education that exceeds your expectations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own homeschooling experiences in the comments below. If you're looking for more tips and strategies, be sure to check out my other videos.